If you've never rolled your feet before, it's best to start conservatively and use a foam roller to roll along your foot. A hockey or golf ball will increase the pressure. On tight areas, apply static pressure or use a ball to roll along the foot, up and down, side to side or circular motion. You can vary the amount of pressure into the foot. In a sitting position, use your hand to roll the foot with the ball for a more controlled, specific rolling. Apply as much pressure as you can comfortably tolerate. Use the techniques for 20 to 30 seconds per area and aim for 3 to 5 repetitions, depending on time available.